All right. Hi, I'm Paulina Hurstler, and I am here today to present my Project 3. And I can't believe this class is about to be over, but it's here, and my Project 3 is done, and it's been a long journey in this class, but it's been so fun, and I'm so happy to finally have my website, and I will take you guys through it. So this is my portfolio website. My homepage, very simple. I decided to just keep the background page and my name and have navigation kind of sort out where you would like to navigate on my website. So yeah, this is the homepage, and as you hover over it, it changes color here, as you can see. And then we have the about page, which is pretty much a little description of who I am or what I want to accomplish. Trying to not make it as wordy and like easy to read by having like a little bold title here in the middle with a little corny quote. And kind of summarize my journey here in this little box instead of having it as a larger text. I also provided these pictures here. So if you click on them, you come to like websites that are associated with like I played for UCLA earlier, so if you click on it, you can see questions about me that's published on the UCLA web page, and this is even my resume here that I decided to attach. And a highlight video of me playing basketball is here as well, if that's what you're interested to see. And then we have my image gallery, which kind of I ended up changing a little bit compared to to project two, where I decided to have the pictures by each other instead of having like a smaller row as I first thought about. So I decided to use my template of my section and my article, which is this frame here around like these brown. Big boxes pretty much, and then I just added three of those to make it as three different like pages, but still within the image gallery. And if you click on a picture, there's errors, so you can keep scrolling with pictures that are not actual visual here. And I include my little copyright sign here, which makes sense because it's from photographers. um, and yeah, I'm pretty happy about how this actually turned out, and I hope it's easy to navigate. And then I have my contact page where whoever wants to get in contact with me can go. You can enter your message here. You can click on these social media icons as well that I decided to have a little bigger. They're at the top throughout my whole web page that you can always click on. But on this page, I decided to have them a little bigger to really emphasize them if that's where you want to reach me. And if you enter your email here, this is a contact form, so this will submit to my email. And I'm happy with the look. I hope it's very, pleasant for the eyes and easy to navigate in case you want to contact me. And yeah, overall, this has been such a fun project. I'm so happy I get to like finish this as my final project, but also I will have some use for this portfolio website. I would say the hardest thing was to actually find like the fonts to match, and that was probably what I went off with compared to my project two, where I didn't match them at all. The ones I was gonna use, they weren't like available for free download, so I need to like find some different ones, and that was harder than I thought. Um, but to create the actual website in terms of article and sections was relatively easy, and I thought that was a quick process. Like I was expecting that to take longer time, but it was a pretty easy, straightforward process. And then it was just all the details that took long time. But that also made me realize the value of the project too, and knowing what you want on your website and how much that helps. Because even if I only made a few changes, that really like took the process or made the process way longer compared to if I just had it as exactly as I wanted it. But overall, it's been such a fun project, and I'm so happy I get to combine my final project and actual very useful website for my portfolio. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed my presentation.